And we're going to start with how TSA PreCheck works, which is basically an association actually run by the US government, which is actually designed to make airport travel significantly easier for very frequent and low-risk travelers. And how it actually works is you need to schedule an online 10-minute in-person appointment, including a fingerprinting and a background checklist to make sure that you're actually eligible for TSA PreCheck. And once you're approved within 3 to 5 business days typically, you're actually going to get this special number, which is known as a known travel number, or KTN. And when you're actually booking your flights, you just need to enter in this known travel number just on your ticket whenever you're purchasing your ticket, so that actually shows up as TSA PreCheck just on your tickets. And once you've actually applied and been accepted for TSA PreCheck, all you're gonna need to do to use it at the airport is you just want to go in the special TSA PreCheck lanes. You don't have to, but you can, just because that's what you're paying for and that's what you really want, because you save a lot of time. And when you're actually going through these security checkpoints, you do not have to take off your shoes, remove your laptop from your bag, take off jackets, belts, wristbands, and things like that, compared to the non-TSA PreCheck, where you actually do have to take off all of these different things, especially your shoes, which can be annoying. And the lines in TSA are often significantly shorter. Like, there's never a line more than 15 minutes. That's a long line, by the way. But typically you just get through the security checkpoint within 5 minutes, whereas on the normal bag checkpoint, it may take you 30 minutes on a bad day, or even longer. I'm sure we've all experienced. Now let's talk about TSA PreCheck pricing. Now, TSA PreCheck costs $78 for 5 years and only costs $70 to renew after that. And when you're renewing, it actually renews for a whole 5 years, so it is a very, very good price. It is put on the government. So even if you are not a member of a certain credit card or loyalty program that may offer TSA PreCheck for free, it is still a really, really, really good price and good deal just all around, because you save a lot of time at the airport and you don't have to wait in the security checkpoint line at all. Now, when it comes to the final thoughts on which one you should actually choose, TSA PreCheck or Clear, if you are a casual traveler, you should definitely go with TSA PreCheck, just because it is cheap. It's $78 for 5 years. It lasts a long time and you get through the line significantly cheaper. Even if you are just flying 1 to 2 times per year across 5 years, I still definitely think it is worth it. And if you are a very frequent traveler, you should definitely go for both, or consider getting both at least. I don't know about Clear as much as TSA PreCheck when it comes to the ones that you should actually, like, literally hands down get, but doing so will allow the shortest wait possible if you ever do get in a rut. But if you are getting to the airport extremely early, you might just want to go for TSA PreCheck, just because you can breeze through the airport. The line's always shorter than the actual security line, and you don't have to pay $189 per year for Clear. So yeah, win-win. But personally, I think Clear is a scam altogether, and you should always go for TSA PreCheck. PreCheck is 1000% hands down worth it, like every single time. But Clear, for the price, unless you're like just trying to throw away money, personally I don't think it's worth it, unless you don't fly much and attend like big events with stadiums that might have Clear. I would look that up and look up which stadiums actually include Clear before you actually invest in it. But yeah, overall I think TSA PreCheck is 1000% worth it, and hands down you should get it right now. Like, it will take 10 minutes to sign up for, and then you have that in-person remote meeting, and then you can basically breeze through the airport every time. So yeah, that's my final verdict. If you found this helpful, please leave a like on this video, and happy traveling.